What's going on, guys? Charles here. Welcome to another video. So today's video is really cool and I'm going to share something absolutely amazing with you guys. So today we're going to talk about viral websites and how can you actually create one for yourself. And it's so easy, especially if you don't know anything about setting websites up. It's so easy, and this is one of those things that you set up and you maintain it once in a while, maybe like maybe like 10 minutes a day, 20 minutes a day, and as you build it, it just makes you more and more money. So this is such an incredible thing that the reason I've talked about viral websites in a different form in one of my old videos, but this is such a new thing, and I've seen the reason I'm actually making a video about it is because I've seen a couple of people who have done this successfully, and the ratio of success in it is just really high. That's why I just wanted to make a video about this, and I want to show it to you guys, and at the same time I want to do it myself, so you're gonna see it all live in action. So this is one of those things that I have never done on YouTube, just doing something like right in front of you. Rarely I do something like that, so I just want to share it with you guys, and I want you to see it in action. Because this is this is something that takes a while to build. This is going to be a multi-step video. So in the first part, this video, we're going to set up the basics, and I'm going to show you exactly how this whole thing is going to work, the strategy, what we do exactly and all that stuff. And then I'm going to set it up. You're going to see it all in action, and you're going to see how you can build a website that is just kind of a viral website. You kind of push it, boost it a little bit in the beginning, and then it just makes you more money. As the time goes by, it just grows by itself and makes you more money. It's such an incredible thing to do, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with some basics. All right, so I'm gonna take you to my computer. I'm gonna show you exactly what we're gonna do, how we're gonna do it, and we're gonna get started. Again, if you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe, because I'm gonna post probably one video about this every week. I'm posting 5 videos a week, but we're gonna go over this once a week. So next parts are coming out probably in the next couple of weeks, or next week basically. So make sure you're subscribed if you're not a subscriber for next parts. All right, so let's go to my computer. Let's talk about the strategy. Let's see exactly how you can set up a website that can make you up to $30,000 a month on autopilot, like using automated and viral content. All right, so let's go over there. Hey guys, just a quick message. So I was editing the video right now, and I realized that during the entire video I was so lost in explaining the whole strategy, the whole system, like the building it, that I didn't get a chance to explain exactly what is the idea or what is the strategy here. So I just wanted to add this quick video to explain what we're gonna do. You're gonna actually see it in action right now. We're gonna go to my computer. You're gonna see it all right there. But so the idea here is that we're gonna build these viral websites that at the beginning we're gonna just kind of generate content for it manually, and then after a while, when they pick up, users are gonna come in and generate more content, and it's just gonna grow up. All right. Now, how do we actually monetize this? That's another thing that I think I forgot to mention in the first video, was that we're going to monetize this using advertising. All right, so we're going to monetize this using ads. We can have sponsored content, to affiliate links, advertising for affiliate links. We can even have, when the website grows and you own it, you're gonna have your own, maybe you have sponsored content, sponsored articles, and you can just feature it so you can get a lot more views. And yeah, you can do basically whatever you want. You can use it as a traffic source to drive targeted traffic to different offers, using ads, using sponsored content and all that stuff. So yeah, so that's how we're going to actually use this website to make money. All right, so again, I just thought this was something that I didn't clearly explain during the video. So yeah, so I just wanted to drop that. So let's go over there. Let's go to my computer, and let me show you exactly how you build this. All right, let me explain what's the strategy, what we're going to do here exactly, and we're going to start building it. All right, so the strategy here is we're going to create viral websites, and basically what we're going to do in the beginning, we're going to produce content once in a while, cool content, and we're going to drive traffic to this content and slowly build an audience and build a kind of a membership base. All right, because these are kind of a membership sites. So it's a really great strategy. Again, the whole point of the thing is that because it's a user based website, like the content mainly is going to be user generated when you push it to a level. All right, in the beginning you gotta spend some time, again, like maybe 10-20 minutes a day, come with something cool, post it. We're gonna talk about traffic in the next video, because right now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna set it up for you and show you exactly what we're gonna do. So so first of all, the website itself. So the website itself is going to be basically a whole template. So we're going to build this on WordPress, and the template that we're going to use is called Beamber or something like that. Beamber, so I don't know exactly how do you spell that, but yeah. So so this is a really cool template. I'm going to leave a link for you in the description. That's going to take you to this. And yeah, so you can buy this template. Obviously this is going to cost some money to start, you know, not going to be completely free, but that's basically what you're going to pay. You know, the template, you're going to need to buy a domain. I'm going to buy my own domain right now, and also you're going to need to buy hosting as well. I'm going to leave a link to that stuff in the description. I'm going to leave a link to a blog post on University, and you can just, you know, find all these links in there. All right, so yeah. So that's gonna be that. So first, let's actually do this step by step. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to first of all just buy this template. All right. So I'm just gonna click add to cart and just check it out. All right. Okay, guys. So I just finished paying up for it. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is we're not gonna use this right now. I mean, not at this moment, but yeah. So if you go to downloads page after buying this, you're gonna be able to just find all of this stuff. All right. So yeah, so that's that. So next step is buying the hosting and the domain. All right. So I'm going to use this domain. I'm gonna buy this right now, and the hosting I recommend Bluehost. All right. So Bluehost. I'm going to leave a link for you guys in the description. You can check it out. Okay. So I'm gonna leave a link that's going to give you a discount. All right. So this is a really cool one. It's going to give you a special discount. This is for University members, but I'm actually going to share it with you guys, so you can just get this discount. So it's a really cool one. I'm going to leave a link for you in the description as well, so you can get this for yourself. But this is a great place to host your website. All right. So yeah. So so that's that. I'm just going to buy the domain. I'm going to buy my domain separately. Now the thing is, let's actually go back here. So if you are okay. If you're just getting started and you don't have a domain, okay, you can get your first domain for free if you go through this link. All right, so you're gonna get a free domain. So if you don't have a GoDaddy account, it's fine. You can get your first domain for free. But yeah, if you already have accounts like hosting accounts and domains and stuff, you can actually get it through GoDaddy. That's what I do. All right, so I'm going to just get the domain from GoDaddy. And I'm just going to purchase that as well. So let's just go through that and continue. I'm going to get privacy as well. Okay. And I'm just going to blur this part. I'm just going to check out. Okay. Alright guys, so I just got the domain, again I just paid it and got the domain. Now the next step is just connect this domain to my hosting account. Alright, so I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna show that to you guys. You can just check it out for yourself. You can just Google it. It depends, if you have your own hosting, if you bought your domain with the hosting, you don't have to actually just do this. But yeah, I'm just gonna skip to that part. Alright, so I just pointed the website to the domain that we bought to the hosting. So if you actually take a look, this is the domain that we bought, so it just goes to an empty page. So the next step is to install WordPress. That's the platform we're going to use to install this template on it. All right, so you can install WordPress in many different ways. I'm going to do it in my hosting. So if you get the Bluehost, you're gonna have this option. So you just go to website, install WordPress. This might be in a different place for you, but yeah, so just install WordPress there, and you're gonna be able to just install it on your domain that you own in there and just use it. So I'm gonna install it now. You just click this button and choose the domain that you want to install. Now I'm not gonna show you this section because obviously I'm gonna add my passwords and everything, so I don't want you guys to see that. But yeah, so you just install it and it's gonna give you a login information. So I'll get back to you right now after I install this. Alright guys, so we just installed the WordPress site and I just literally logged in. So this is the raw website. So you got to do a couple of stuff. So I'm gonna go to plugins and disable all these other plugins that they have you install here. Okay, so the only thing we're gonna keep is anti-spam. Okay, and the rest of them we're just going to actually disable. Alright, yeah, so deactivate, let's just do that because we don't need them. You know, we don't need to have those installed, so I'm just going to delete the ones that we're not using as well. There you go. Just, you know, make it clean. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. We're going to start building up this thing. So next step is I'm going to go ahead and download this thing from my download. So I'm just going to click all files and download this thing that we just bought. Alright, and after that I'm just going to wait for it to finish downloading. That's going to take a while, and I'm going to install it. So the first step to installing the theme is basically going to appearance and themes and basically just installing it. So I'm just going to delete the old ones, the ones that they already have here for you. So this is in use, so we can't delete that. So I'm just going to delete this one and delete this one. Okay, and yeah, so while that downloads, I'm just going to wait for that thing to download, and then I'm going to show you how you install it. Alright. Okay guys, so we just installed the file. We just downloaded the file, so I'm just going to extract it, and I'm just going to pull up this whole thing so to show you exactly how do you do this. Alright, so let me just extract it real quick. And what we're going to do now, the thing is you got to install the template file by itself. Okay, and so there's the main template, and then there's a child template, so it doesn't matter, you don't have to worry about that. So I'm just going to click add new, and I'm just going to upload theme and choose a file. There you go. There you go. So after that, obviously, you know, if you're using a premium template, you gotta actually have, like, we gotta add a license to it. So that's something I'm gonna do right now, and that should be pretty much good to go. Next step is obviously we gotta just add some content, you know, add some extra plugins and stuff that we're going to cover in the next video or the next episode. Alright, the first video was just about like setting the whole thing up. Alright, so yeah, so this is uploading, so let's give it some time, and then should be good to go. Obviously we gotta do a lot of other work, like for example make this a secure website, and yeah, there's a bunch of other stuff that we have to do to make sure this is gonna be a good website, like a good looking website. Everything should be, you know, good. Alright guys, so we just finished installing the template. So if you actually go to appearances, themes, you're gonna be able to see the new one that you just installed. So all you gotta do is just click activate and just start using the template. Now the thing is, there's a lot to do, there's a lot more to do. You know, we gotta actually make the website secure, we gotta install like a couple other plugins to make sure everything runs smoothly, and there's a lot more to talk about. You know, like right now if I activate, I'm gonna do this right in front of you, but if I activate the theme, it's not gonna look anywhere near as good as this one. Obviously we gotta do a lot of work for it, but again, that's the beginning. When you actually run it, when you just start using it, it's going to just, you know, it's going to look much better. So yeah, so it says you have registered a Bimber theme to import. You have to register, so I'm just gonna license it. So that's something I'm gonna do right now. Again, you just have to add the purchase code when you buy the template, so you can actually import their demos, which is really nice because demos are gonna help you just build everything much faster, which is much cooler. Alright, so I'm gonna do that right now, and after that we're gonna start building everything else in the next episode or next video of this series. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got some value from it. If you did, make sure you subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Again, we're gonna continue doing this, so you're gonna see more updates about this in the next week, or probably the next 4 or 5 days, because I'm so excited about this. I'm just gonna make more videos about it and show you exactly what I've been doing for this website. All right, so so yeah, so make sure you stay updated. subscribe. And also, if you want to learn more, if you want to learn about more of this stuff, and also just a lot of different ways to make money online at the same time, a done for you system that is going to help you to start your online business, and one-on-one coaching, and a lot of other stuff, I strongly recommend joining a Varsity Gold Masterclass. I'm going to leave a link for you in the description. That's going to take you to the page where you can sign up. It's an incredible program, and not only a program that is going to teach you how to start your online business and earn passive income online, but also it's going to give you the tools and everything you need basically to start your online business. Again, from coaching to done for you system and a high ticket affiliate system that is going to make you up to $4,000 per sale. I mean, this is like the higher level affiliate marketing that you want to be in if you're trying to start an online business and build passive income for yourself. All right, so I strongly recommend checking it out. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if you have any questions, or if you're setting this up with me. I definitely recommend leaving a comment, letting me know if you have any questions. Also, if you're a university member, contact your coach, because they're in the loop about this, so they're going to be able to help you out if you're trying to set something like this up, because there's a lot more details that we really kind of don't talk about because we don't get the chance to talk about on YouTube. So your coaches on a university should know better, and they're going to be able to help you out with this stuff. All right, so thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one.